Hello, fitness explorers. Today, let's unravel the mystery of an exercise that seems deceptively simple at first glance, but holds the power to transform your body, the plank. Often underestimated, the plank is a no-equipment, versatile powerhouse capable of strengthening nearly every muscle group, from your abs to your glutes. Intrigued? Stick around as we dive deep into the world of planking and discover the phenomenal changes that await you by incorporating just 1 minute of planking into your daily routine. The plank, in its classic form, is the epitome of total body engagement. Imagine positioning yourself as if you're about to do a push-up, then shifting your weight onto your forearms, creating a perfect 90-degree angle at your elbows. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels, a rigid bridge of strength. But the true essence of planking lies not in the setup, but in the details. The tension in your legs, the alignment of your elbows under your shoulders, and the controlled rhythmic breaths that fuel your endurance. But what can 1 minute of this unassuming exercise do for you? First and foremost, it's a core blaster. Your core isn't just about aesthetics. It's the central support system for your entire body. Daily planking will chisel your core muscles, enhancing your posture, lifting capability, and even giving that six-pack a stage to shine. But it's not just the core. Your back muscles will rejoice too. Planking is a holistic exercise fortifying your back without the risks associated with heavy lifting, thereby reducing the menace of back pain. Did you know that planking is also your undercover metabolic agent? Yes, this static exercise burns more calories than many dynamic exercises. It's like igniting your metabolic engine, keeping it revved up even when you're off the mat. And if you're pondering about posture, planking is your silent guardian, ensuring your neck, shoulders, and back are aligned and fortified, projecting confidence and strength. But wait, there's more. Balance and flexibility, two often neglected fitness components, receive a significant boost from regular planking. Ever tried standing on one leg and felt like a wobbling flamingo? Planking is the secret to a solid stance, a boon for every sport and daily life activity. And let's not forget flexibility. With each plank, you're stretching and strengthening, making every movement fluid and graceful. Now for the icing on the cake, your mental fortitude. Planking isn't just a physical challenge, it's a mental one too. Holding that position, pushing through the seconds, steadies your nerves and brightens your mood. A perfect antidote to a stressful day. So how long should this plank hold last? It's a personal journey. Start with what feels challenging yet achievable, maybe 15 to 30 seconds, and build from there. But remember, quality over quantity. A well-executed short plank trumps a longer, sloppier one. Canadian researchers affirm this. Multiple short planks are more beneficial than a singular marathon hold. So, dear friends, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Remember, the plank is a humble yet mighty tool in your fitness arsenal. Dive into other videos on this channel for more insights and inspiration. The links are waiting for you, and so is your stronger, more resilient self. Until next time, happy planking!